But I don't know if this is gonna work. We're gonna go for it. My name's Spencer Watts. I'm gonna make an Alfredo in real time. It's actually really not even an Alfredo. Paying for these videos myself. So my wife wants another baby and it's $9 for cauliflower. So this is a cream sauce and I'm gonna put Asian ingredients in it because I'm trying to beat the algorithm and figure out how to get more subscribers. I don't know what I'm doing, neither does the cameraman. Hang on, baby. Let's go. You got that? All right, Alfredo is like a really creamy sauce. Some people even consider an Alfredo with no heavy dairy in it, and it's kind of just made with the starch of the pasta, but I'm breaking all the rules. I'm gonna try and make something for you in real time. I think it's gonna work. My brain says this is gonna work, but my body is telling me no. So lots of onions in this, whatever this sauce is, and I like little shallots. Just cut them up like that. You know what, I'm gonna start the shallots right now. Just a little bit of oil, because we're gonna go in with a lot of fat. So you can cut garlic up a couple ways. This is the first way. And those little thin pieces are really nice. They're not super thin, and they're not super thick. So they don't take as long to burn when they look like that. You do the old smash technique. You just ta-da. And I think by doing both of them, it makes the sauce super confused. Get the garlic in there. And actually, this is a really good sound because you don't want to let it burn. You just want to season the oil. A little delicate shallot in there. Oh, God, I got to put the pasta in. You want to season the pasta water. We're going to go for it. I like this noodle for a creamy sauce. Let's stick to the noodles, go to the inside. And get some nice starchy water out of that. This is a good time to give this a little bit of a season here. A little bit of salt and pepper. Couple cracks. Here we go. I'm gonna do lemon juice because it just cuts the acidity off and it picks up any of the flavor from the bottom of the pan. Once that lemon juice is cooked down, I'm just putting in a little heavy cream. Okay, now we can crank it. A good Alfredo always has like a good whack of cheese in it. So you can use Parm, Pecorino Romano, cheddar, mozzarella, whiz, cheese whiz, Harry Potter, Lady Gaga, the Muppets. There's a sauce out there. It's called XO sauce. And they call it XO because they use like the nicest ingredients in the world. So there's like fatty pork product in there. There's like the nicest dried shrimp, the nicest dried scallops. There's sugar, chili, shallots, garlic. It's this really complex sauce. And I have it here. Water, shallots, salted chili peppers, the foot of a beaver, a seal face. We get the wrong thing. And it's got such a cool texture to it. Look, and it's like so crazy and fragrant. Well, this is an adults only game. This is the part of the recipe where it's going to be super amazing or weird as weird can be. But I'm nervous about this part. This is the part I'm nervous about. Because XO on its own is super good. That Alfredo sauce is delicious. But put them together, what's happened? It's good. Hi, sir. Welcome. Have you had a chance to look over at the menu? Yes, we have. Well, if you have any questions, please let us know. Can you tell us about the XO Alfredo? Yes, it's one of our chef's favorite. He's not with us anymore. Really? What happened? Well, he ate the sauce. Can we order it? Well, it might kill you. Two different things happening. Like the XO sauce is like mysterious and flavorful and exotic. And then the Alfredo sauce is dinner served and creamy. It's the opposites. You put them together. Idiot genius. All right, these noodles are nowhere cooked. I worked with this guy when I was a young kid. It was raining, storm, November, and they're talking about the scariest movie that you've ever seen. And they asked me what my scary movie was. And I was like, Fire in the Sky. This guy gets abducted by aliens. He starts crying. This is like a big burly guy. He's visibly upset. And then he goes, every year they come to get me. I hate it, and I wish they would stop coming to get me. And we're like, what is he talking about? Has this guy been abducted by aliens? And then he lifts up his shirt. There's these 3 marks on him. We're like, what? This is crazy. Picture like Arnold Schwarzenegger crying. Anyway, I left that job. 3 years later, whatever, I saw the guy who I worked with online. I was like, hey, how's it going? How long did you end up working there? How's Harry doing? He said, Harry's gone. He just disappeared. Door of his house was open. He's never been seen again. What happened to Harry? Gone. Gotta keep warm out here. Aliens hate fire. To get a little bit of that stretchy water in there. Pasta water is so absolutely magical. Let's get a plate. For some reason, I feel like this needs greenery. Plus the shallots and the XO. And this is a nice little petite onion flavor. I'm just gonna smash that in right at the end. Let's go! That's nice. Bang, hit it hard. Nice creamy sauce. It's got the flex from the XO. Extra old, super fancy. Okay, tell you the truth, it's a little out there. It's a really nice Alfredo sauce, but it's got a really funky XO sauce. It's a little out there. It's over.